Hello Namtutorial champ. Hope you all are doing good. I welcome you all to Namtutorial. Let's begin our journey. Today we will learn among one part of a speech that is noun and a type. Children, words that are nouns are broadly placed under the following groups. They are common noun and proper noun, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, countable and uncountable nouns, singular and plural nouns, collective and compound nouns, gerunds and gender-specific nouns. Kindly note that a noun may belong to more than one group. Okay, let's revise. Just tell me, what is noun? You all know. Noun is a name. Yes, it's a name of a person, place, an animal, a thing, or an idea. Today we will learn common noun and proper noun. We are playing in a park. If I say, "Hey kids," I might probably get several responses. Yes, because kid is a general name, hence it's a common noun. But if I say, "Hey Ram," I will get a specific response from Ram only. Yes, because Ram is a specific name of a particular boy. Hence, Ram is a proper noun. Now let's define them. What is common noun? The general name of a person, place, an animal, thing, or event is a common noun. It is a general name. Okay, children? Now, this proper noun then. Yeah, the name of a particular specific person, place, animal, thing, or event is a proper noun. Okay? I think you're a bit confused. Don't worry. Let's take few examples to understand it. This is a boy. Which boy I am talking about? Do you know, children? No. Boy is a general term for male gender. Hence, it's a common noun. But if I say, "This is Jimmy," yeah, I'm talking about this particular boy, Jimmy. He's so cute. So, here Jimmy is a proper noun. Let's take an example of an animal. This is a dog. Hey, about which dog am I talking? We don't know. We have many dogs. So, dog is a common name, common noun. But if I say this is Ginger, yeah, I'm talking about my pet Ginger. He is so naughty. Ginger is a specific name of my dog. So, Ginger is a proper noun. This is a fort. It's the name of a place. Yeah, but we have many forts. About which particular fort I'm talking? Do you know? No. So, it's a general term. It's a common noun. It may have many examples like Red Fort. Yeah, this is a Red Fort. I am talking about Red Fort. And Red Fort is a name of this particular building. Hence, it's a specific name, a proper noun. Okay, this is a car. Yeah, it's a thing name. But which car is this? Do you know? No. Yeah, so it's a, you don't know, right? Yeah, it's a common name, common noun, I can say, right? But if I say this is Honda City, yeah, I am talking about Honda City particularly. So, Honda City is a proper name, proper noun. So, children, I think now it's clear that boy, dog, fort, car, all these are common name of a person, animal, place and a thing. Hence, it's a common noun. Whereas Jimmy, Ginger, Red Fort, Honda City, it is a specific, particular name of a person, animal, place and thing. Hence, it's a proper noun. As you can see, children, man is a common noun, right? But if I say Mr. Sharma, Mr. Verma, Walt Disney, Victor, Hugo, so it's a proper noun. Mountain, it's a common noun because there are many mountains, right? But if I say Mount Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, so I'm talking about that particular mountain. It's a proper noun. Ocean. Yeah, children. Ocean is a common noun, but it can be categorized as Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean as a proper nouns. Okay? It's so easy, right? If I say California, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, so it's a particular state name, proper noun example. Okay. Country. There are many countries in the world. It's a general term, but United States, that is one particular proper country. Okay. There is no other United States we have. There is one and only one Australia in the world. Okay. So proper nouns are unique. Okay. India, example of a proper noun. It belongs to country category. Building. There are many buildings. Empire State Building is a proper noun. Cat. There can be any cat, but if I talk about a specific cat, Buttons, Fluffy, Kitten, that is a proper noun of a cat, proper name I give to my cat. That is a proper noun. Websites. Website. We have thousands of websites. Okay, it's a general term, children. But English Grammar Revolution, YouTube, they are particular websites. Hence, it's a proper noun. Hope now it's 100% clear to you the difference between common noun and proper noun. Now, let's learn the rule. Yes, children, the rule of capitalization. Yes, let's see what common noun and proper noun are saying to us. Common noun tells, hello, I'm not capital unless I start a sentence. Yes, children, we never write common noun, general term in a capital letter unless they come in the beginning of the sentence. I mean, they start a sentence. But opposite to that, proper nouns, they are always capital. Okay, we always write proper noun in capital letters wherever they are in a sentence. Yeah, proper noun is having so attitude. Here you can see in the example Jimmy, Ginger, Red Fort, Honda City. As you can see the highlighted words J, G, R, H. Okay, they all are written in a capital letters. So do remember proper noun always will be written in uppercase. But what about common nouns? We will not mandatorily write them in capital letter. As you can see, boy, dog, fort, car. They are not written in a capital letter. Unnecessarily don't write common nouns in a capital letters. Okay, children? But if they are coming at the beginning of the sentence, I mean here as you can see, boys is a common noun, but it is a first letter, first word of a sentence. So we will write it in capital letter because sentence always starts with a capital letter. So this is the condition only when we will write common noun in capital letter uppercase. Dog is barking. See, D is written in capital letter. Okay, children? It's so easy. Let's read example. The dog is barking at the old man. Here the underlined words dog and man are common noun. My uncle has a big house. Uncle and house is a common noun. It's a general term because, okay? Children, we have few more example of proper nouns. Name of cities: Pune, Mumbai, London, Paris. Name of days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Name of month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Name of festivals: Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, Gandhi Jayanti. Name of books: The Jungle Book, the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran, Gita, Harry Potter. Name of all the religions: Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Sikhism, and all the natural unique things in the world, like the sun. We have only one sun in our universe. The sun moon, these unique things. All these are a special names, right? So they are always written in a capital letters. Just do remember, okay? Name of cities, days, months, religion, festivals, books, and any unique thing in the world has a specific name. Hence, it's a proper noun always. Okay? Let's move ahead. Read the example loudly. Rahul lives in New Delhi. Here, Rahul and New Delhi is a proper noun because Rahul is a name of boy. We are talking about particular Rahul. We are talking particularly about Rahul and he lives in New Delhi. A particular place name is specified here. It's a proper noun. Tim has a Sony TV at home. Tim is a name of a boy like Rahul, okay? And he has which TV? Which one? Sony TV. Yes, Sony TV is a proper noun. Proper name of a TV. Fluffy is the name of Rita's dog. In this sentence, Fluffy is a specific name of a dog and Rita is a specific name of a girl. Hence, they all are example of proper noun. Now, the very important thing, how to spot common noun in a sentence. Okay, you might get confused sometimes. Always after reading a sentence, ask a question. Which? Which? What? Here. I like cute dog. What thing we are talking about here? Dog. Which animal? Dog. Right. But which dog we are talking about? Do you know? No, we don't know. So it's a common noun. How to spot a proper noun? Ask a question, what is its name? If you get the answer, it's a common noun. Sorry. If you get the answer, it's a proper noun. Fluffy is a cute dog. Which animal we are talking about? About what we are talking? Yes, we are talking about a dog. Which dog? Do you know? Yes, Fluffy. We are talking about Fluffy. He is so cute. Yeah, Fluffy is a particular name of this dog. So, Fluffy is a proper noun. Wow, we understood it. So, we have done with proper noun and common noun. Let's revise them. So, just tell me, what is common noun and proper noun? Very good. Common nouns names general name of a people, animal, place or thing, whereas proper noun names a specific name of a animal, place or thing. Common nouns do not need capital letters. As you can see here, example singer, it can be any singer. Whereas proper nouns require capital letters. They are always written in capital letters. As you can see, T and S are capital. Yay! It's a fun activity time. Now you tell me, do you like pizza? It's so yummy. See, all of you started mouth watering. Today we are going to make pizza. Are you wondering? Pizza? What ma'am is talking about? Yes, we are going to make proper noun pizza and common noun cookies. Yay! For this you need art and craft material. Okay, so just take your project paper. As you can see, make a slice of a pizza, proper noun pizza, and on this you can make and stick example of one particular thing in each and every slice and just make your pizza ready. For proper noun also you can do same, or if you want you can make all the cookies, right? It's all up to you. You can do your own creativity. So don't skip, just give it a try. Even I want to know how much you enjoyed. Here is our second activity, that is pockets full of nouns. In this activity, you have to make two pockets. Name them as proper noun and common noun as you can see in a picture. One by one, randomly pick any one chit. Suppose you have school. Suppose you pick first. What is a school? Which type of noun it is? Proper noun or common noun? Yes, it's a common noun. So just keep it in the correct pocket. Now it's a turn for second chit. Just give it a try, okay? You will enjoy a lot. And this will help you to get your concept more clear. If you have any doubt, do write it in a comment box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like it, do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Do write comments in a comment box below. Any suggestion if you have for me, please share it with me. Hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. God bless you.